Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I've been away for a while, but I am back, and I have a beauty subscription box to share. I did get my Eyescream Beauty Box, so this is for the month of June, and so let's just get to it. Okay, friends. I appreciate you guys being here. I want to thank my subscribers for your support. And if you would like to subscribe or hit the like button and do those things to support my channel, I would love that. And please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of the video or what you think of the products that I'm sharing. And so we'll just get started here with our Eyescream Beauty Box. Now, I went ahead and opened this box and went through it because I have some of the products on right now. So I'm going to share that. So I need my glasses for this, but this is June, and the theme says heat wave. So the first thing I'm going to pull out here is this is a SPF 50 moisturizing primer by Zizia Cosmetics. It's called British Museum. It's valued at $29. So there it is, and it's totally packaged up well, so I need to get it open here. I did not use this primer. I probably should have, but I didn't realize. Anyway, I just pulled out 2 or 3 items to use makeup products. And this right here is, okay, it's a cute little bottle. There we go. And I don't know if it smells. It's just a little white lotion type. It's really cute though. Like that, like the colors. So there it is. And it does have a little bit of a smell, but not much. So it feels good. It feels like a decent primer. So, yeah. So there's our first item. The next item I'm pulling out here is a highlighter. And this is DL from Delancey. It's a holographic highlighter. And I do have this on today. It's kind of died down a little bit because it was kind of a while ago when I did this, but let's see what we got here. It's definitely holographic. So you can see there's like an iridescence to it. Kind of changes a little bit of color. I'm going to put some right here over that primer. Look at that. It's kind of showing up purplish. But anyway, I did that. I did it here. It's showing up a little bit different than I noticed before. Anyway, so I get carried away sometimes. But anyway, there's that. This is, the value of this is, let's see what they say about it. It is Duochrome Highlighter by Delancey. It's $20 value. It's a shifty highlighter that is meant to add an ethereal glow to your complexion. While these may seem a bit intimidating at first, it's important to know that the duochrome effect only reveals itself under certain lighting conditions. The color is almost invisible at first, only to reveal a hidden pop of color. So that's why I think I was getting that color, because I have my ring lights here. And so anyway, I like it. So there's that. The next thing I have here is I believe it's an eyeliner pen. Gel liner by Appeal Cosmetics. This is actually valued at $21. It's gel liner, is safe to be used as an eyeliner or a lip liner. The shades that we chose are meant to complement the eye look, but can be used as either. This can be sharpened with any makeup sharpener. Let's see, Appeal. This looks like it's a green, and I don't know if it's something I'm going to use. I wish it was more pink. because that's the eye look I chose to use in the palette. When I get to the palette, I'll show you. But anyway, it feels really good going on, but there it is. So I would maybe use this with a green eye look. I think I definitely wouldn't use it on my lips, but it feels like a really good gel liner. So I do like that. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to share is lips. This lip product, this is from Gerard Cosmetics, and this is it's the Honeymoon Hydra Matte Liquid Lipstick, valued at $20. I love this lipstick. I put it on, gosh, hours ago, and it's still there. I put a little bit of gloss over it, but it's just a nice pink color, and it stays. And once it's on, it's on. So I do like that. It's a little sample of the color, which is on my lips. So anyway, I really like it because it stays. So, and it's pink is good for me. Wasn't sure about the color at first, but it's okay. It matches. It does match pretty well with my eye look, which came from the last thing in the box. This is the Plumeria Dragon palette by Sugar Drizzle Cosmetics. It's a $40 value, and it says, for the first time ever, we are introducing Sugar Drizzle Cosmetics to our boxes. This 12-pan palette is a fun and vibrant collection of eyeshadows, perfect for creating both soft and bold looks. The palettes feature an adorable cover adorned with a cute baby dragon, adding a touch of fantasy to your makeup routine. So it offers a mix of shades. It's got a little bit of everything. I'll show you here, and then we'll sample some. So let's see here. There's the dragon, and there's the palette. And I used, so for my eyes, right here, I used this on my whole lid. And then I went down and used this, and maybe a little bit of this mixed for my crease. And then in my corners, I did this right here, this color. So this color, and then I used this in my inner lids right here, or my lower lids, just a little bit right here. It's kind of a golden-y color. So there's that, and this just is a nice palette. It has a lot of fun colors in it. I think I could do kind of a teal look with it. I love some of these browns. Now let me get my hand cleared off, and I can show you some examples here of some of the other colors. Okay, first I'll show you my eye look on my hand, and then this was my crease, and this is the outer corners. This is the lid, and this is the lower lid. So anyway, it's pretty palette. I do like the, I'm going to take a couple of these brownish colors because they're really fun. So I'm going to do, I'm curious to see what they're like. So this stuff has staying power because I'm having a hard time even wiping it off my fingers. But let's go with, got that one. I've got this one. I've got this one. I've got this one. Let's see. So there's the second batch right here. Really pretty. Some of these shimmers are just really pretty. So I have a feeling this palette's going to get used. I was not disappointed with the eye look. You know, I like pink. I like the pink looks, and so that was good. So that was our last item. And so I had this in the lip, which I'm wearing, and also the highlighter, which I'm wearing. And then we've got the primer and the green eye pencil, which I actually kind of like, even though I usually am just do black. I just like black, but I might try the green sometime. That's not bad. So anyway, there's my products. There's the our summer heat wave from Eyescream Beauty. I still threaten that I'm gonna maybe stop this subscription one of these days. I actually really like it. Sometimes it's hit or miss, but most of the time I'm really happy with the boxes. But I just get so many subscription boxes. I'm gonna have to cut down sometime. This might be one I cut down on, but I do love it. And if you guys want a link to go check it out or pick it up, you can, in my description, there is a link to Eyescream Beauty. And let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the products. Let me know if you're interested in the subscription or if you have one. And so I guess that's it for today. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.